everybody, welcome back to my channel. And you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.7, which is the good. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category second. Category third. Category fourth. Category fifth. Room category sixth. Room category 7. Category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10th. Room category 11th. Room category 12th. Room category 13th. Category 14th. Category 15. Category 16. Category 17th. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen 17 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is fine and guests truly enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. When checking the menu of this hotel is 3 p.m. The checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Booking for more details, follow the description link. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that